Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this purple and gold Waterfall French Tip. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color today, I'm going to be using Holo Taco's Feeling Fiendish, and then for the waterfall tips, I'm going to be using Curfew Crasher, Bottle Service, and Magenta Jelly. For the waterfall at the tip, I have a lid where I'll be putting out a little bit of polish, as well as a striping brush. I'm going to be starting with Curfew Crasher, and when you're doing striping, the main thing is to find a comfortable way to hold the brush and a comfortable way to keep the stroke straight. And then kind of move your other hand to accommodate that. So I'm just going to hold my hand like this because it makes it a bit easier for me, and add some of this color to the tips of all the nails, and then move on to the other colors. once I'm done with the waterfall, I'm going to finish everything off. And as usual, I'm using Sèche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. These colors are very complementary, and I think the different finishes in the waterfall colors really help the tips to pop. I do want to give you some flashlight time so you can see the sparkle and holo, and if you'd like to check out the extended tutorial, that's available now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.